Dr. Anthony Fauci and other top health administrators are testifying before a Senate committee about the coronavirus outbreak. Good afternoon to you. I'm Ben Hill. And because of those restrictions, the hearing looked a lot different than normal. The four witnesses, Dr. Fauci, along with the director of the CDC, a doctor from Health and Human Services, doctor and commissioner of the FDA, all testifying via video cameras, along with most of the senators, as you can see. Indiana Senator Mike Braun was present in the hearing room. The chair of the committee, Republican Senator Lamar Alexander, opened the hearing saying testing is impressive but not nearly enough. While the top Democrat on the panel, Senator Patty Murray, called the administration's response a, quote, disaster. But the star witness is White House Coronavirus Task Force member Dr. Anthony Fauci, who talked about the hopes to develop more than one vaccine by the fall.
We have many candidates that hope to have multiple winners. In other words, it's multiple shots on goal. This will be important because this will be good for global availability if we have more than one successful candidate. We also, as the chairman mentioned, will be producing vaccine at risk, which means we'll be investigating considerable resources in developing doses even before we know any given candidate or candidates work.
Now, the director of the CDC said contact tracing is critical, but said testing is essential to reopening America. Now to the latest on the virus's impact here in Indiana. State health leaders report 33 more deaths from COVID-19. The State Department of Health says there are more than 25,000 Hoosiers who have or have had coronavirus. So far, more than 1,400 people have died in Indiana, but more people are getting tested, with more than 150,000 Hoosiers tested. And the state is ramping up efforts to make testing even more available by partnering with Kroger starting today. We were at IPS School 90 this morning as they began testing. Leaders believe they'll be able to test around 330 people per day, or just under 2,000 when it wraps up. They already had 236 people registered today. Kroger, which is one of the partners making this possible, says it's one way to help get our lives back to normal. And the workers are administering the tests in a way that keeps them and the public safe.
The test kit has little swabs. The test leaders will guide people into how to do the test. It's a self-administered test. Keeping people in the cars is important as a measure of social distancing. That's why we're not asking anybody to come up for walk-ups. Keeping people in the cars is important.
Today and tomorrow at IPS School 90. There are future dates there on your screen. It's from 8:30 to 5:30, and while this is free, you must register in advance after completing an online virtual assessment. The number's also on your screen. If you don't have internet access, you can call. The state says results should be back within 72 hours.